Good afternoon, everyone. We welcome you all today for Indian Bank's Q2 FY2024-25 results announcement. I would now like to request our MD and CEO, Shri S.L. Jain sir, to take us through the financial performance. Over to you, sir.
Welcome all the media person for our post Q2 results conference. The business of the bank has grown by 10% and reached to 12.44 lakh crore as on 30th September 2024. Under business, the deposit has grown by 8% and reached to 6.93 lakh crore, and advances have grown by 12% and reached to 5.51 lakh crores. So advances have grown by 12% and the deposit have grown by 8%. Under the deposit, the CASA has grown by 5%. Under the advances, our retail credit has grown by 15%. Agriculture has grown by 16%. MSME has grown by 8%. As a result, entire RAM portfolio has grown by 14%, and corporate credit has grown by 9%. Bank could maintain the domestic CASA more than 40% in the September results. Under the retail, our housing loan is growing by 14%. Auto loan is growing by 51%. Jewel loan is growing by 21%. Under agri, the crop loan is growing by 16%. SHG is grown by 26%. Agri allied is growing by 44%. Agri infra by 18%. So all segments of the retail, all segments of the agris are growing. MSME is growing by 8%, but the standard MSME is growing by 12%. Corporate is growing 9% and the standard is grown by 10%. So all segment of the credit are in virtually double digit. If you see the standard, and because of that growth in the business which you are seeing from quarter after quarter, we are growing in double digits, and which is reflecting in our profitability. The net profit of the bank has grown by 36% and reached to 2,707 crore, is against the September 23 quarter profit of 1,988. So from 1,988 crore of the September 23 quarter, we are at 2,707 crore. If you see the half yearly number, the September 24 half yearly bank has crossed the profit of 5,110 crore in 6 months. 5,110 crore is against 3,697 crore of the corresponding period of last year. So this profit is coming from the operating profit. The operating profit has also grown from 4,303 crore of the September quarter itself to 4,728 crore, 10%. So operating profit also for the half year September 23 vis-a-vis September 24 has grown by 9% from 8,400 crore to 9,200 crores. And how this operating profit is grown? Because of the growth in the net interest income, NII. The NII has grown by 8% from 5,741 crore of September 23 to 6,194 crore. In half year also, the NII has grown by 8% from 11,444 crore of first half of the last year to 12,372 crores. So this operating profit growth is based on the NII growth. Fee-based income has also grown by 11% from 805 crore of the last year to 891 crore. There is also an increase from bad debt recovery from 508 crore to 732 crore, so 44% growth. The cross-sell has also increased from 42 crore to 44 crore. The priority sector lending certificate income has also grown by 8% from 169 crore to 182 crores. So these all segments of non-interest incomes are also growing. The NII is also growing. This is based on our business growth. Now coming to the asset quality, the GNPA, gross net performing asset, has come down from 3.77% of the last quarter to 3.48%. As you know that our gross NPA and net NPA is continuously coming down. So you see that from the date of amalgamation it was 11.2 and now it is 3.77. Likewise the net NPA, which was 4.20 on the date of amalgamation, has come down to 0.27%. So net NPA has come down significantly and provision coverage ratio of the bank is improved from 96.6% to 97.6%. 1% more on 1%. So PCR increase, gross NPA come down, net NPA come down. How this gross NPA and net NPA come down? Because our recovery was more than 2,000 crore, slippage was 1,357 crore. You are seeing from quarter after quarter, from so many quarters, our recovery is more than our slippage. So this quarter also is against the 1,357 slippage, the recovery is 2,000 odd crore, 2,021 crore. Half year if you see, the slippage and recovery is against slippage of 3,285, the recovery is close to 4,000 crore, 3,900 and some odd crore. The slippage is coming down because the collection efficiency as bank is continuously maintaining at 95%. So because of the monitoring, because of the improvement in underwriting standards, the slippage ratios has come down. Slippage ratio has also come down from 1.4 down to 1.06. The credit cost has also come down from 0.67 to 0.6. So the slippage is coming down, recovery is more, asset quality is better, and the result, the gross and net NPAs are better. Now coming to the capital, is against the requirement of 11.5%, we are having a 16.55, and if I add the profit of the 6 months, it is 17.84%. So bank is adequately capitalized. So is against the requirement of 11.5, bank is at 17.84% in spite of maintaining the credit growth of 12%. And you know last time we paid the dividend of 120%. Prior to that we paid the dividend of 86%. So these are the business number. Now bank is doing lot of things on the digitization front. Bank is doing lot of things on the HR side. So I request my colleague Bajaj to tell about the digitization, how we are moving.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, friends from press and media. As MD sir was talking, that bank is continuing its journey on various digital initiatives. If I talk about the UPI transactions, it has gone up to per day 2.28 crore, in which the remitted transactions are 1.55 crore and beneficiary transactions are 0.73 crore. And the mobile transactions of the bank per month, financial and non-financial, now 28 crore per month. We have gone with the new mobile app, omnichannel app, that is InSmart, and our app rating is 4.1. As the digital journeys which we started in the first quarter of 22, presently we have launched 102 digital journeys. If I talk about the transaction migration, if the September 23, our branch transactions were 11%, it has come down to 8, and the digital transaction have gone up from 89 to 92%. It shows that during if a couple of years back we were only 50-60%, now it has come to 92%. So majority of transactions now have gone to digital channels. If I talk about the mobile banking, it has gone up by 20% YOY from 1.51 crore to 1.81 crore, and transactions have gone by 10% from 1.59 crore to 1.76 crore. UPI users have gone up by 27% from 154 lakhs to 195 lakhs. We talk about the remitter transactions. It is grown by 62% YOY. The net banking users have gone up by 13% from 98 lakhs to 111 lakhs. The credit users have gone up by 50% from 1.77 lakhs to 2.65 lakhs. Our FASTag users also, now we are coming up with the new FASTag models. So that also has gone up by 16,000 to 21,887, which is 37%. POS number also have gone up by 56%. If we talk about the digital journeys, so this year we have launched close to 24 journeys, in which 6 journeys were launched in Q1 and Q2, 18 journeys. And we are planning to launch another 32 journeys. So our year plan was 56, which we are on track. And in this, if I talk about the business, last financial year, half year, we were at 29,116 crore business we did through digital channel. And this year, for this first half, we have done 79,059 crore, which is 172% YOY jump. We have done mostly journey in retail 36, agri 16, MSME 18. So accordingly, our ERAM business has gone up by 162% from 24,205 to 63,508. Even on the deposits liability side also, the e-deposits have gone up by 206% from 4,911 to 15,014 crore. And other things like we are doing EBG, EOTS, death claim settlement, that also for this half year we have done 537 crore. You can see from this chart that when we started our journey in the first quarter of June 22, it was 147 crore business for one quarter, and this financial on 30th September 2024, this quarter business is 42,381 crore. And these are the various journeys which I told you that digital journey launched during this financial year, half year, is 17, planned for 39, and the remaining 2 quarters we are going to launch another, the journeys 16 plus 11, 27, plus 12 other journeys like the corporate credit platform, then cash management service, the insurance platforms, various journeys. As already I have told you that bank has launched its new InSmart omni-channel platform, which we started in the month of June 24 June. We have already onboarded 37 plus lakh customer, and for corporate mobile and net banking, it is still we are in the CUG closed user group where we have given to a few customer to test it, and this new experience is totally different. If you use it, you will find it that's a huge difference in this new omni-channel app. Apart from that, bank is the digital business and fintech department. We have 136 fintechs we already empaneled, onboarded, and with that we are giving various fintech solutions to the government department, to the corporates, to the institutions. And these are the various ongoing key projects of the bank. We already talked about the digital lending platform. Then last time also we told the bank is going for the 4-way data center, which is near DR site, which will help us for zero data loss in case of we switch to the other center. Then omni-channel corporate mobile banking app, internet banking app, we already gone for the CUG. Cash management service we have launched last quarter, but there are a lot of new, it's ongoing projects, lot of additions, MVP 2, MVP 3 are adding. And on the, as RBI has gone with the ULI platform, so we have also various integrations we have done with the RBI Innovation Hub, and we have done close to 550 crore business up to 30th September, and till today we have done 1,100 crore business. Bank is going up with the next gen call center, which is contact center as a services. Mobile app, we have already launched the various resource acquisition centers. For the relationship, the customer relationship managers, we are coming with the new app. And then a conversation generating AI chatbot for the benefit of our employee, that is employee assist, that is another ongoing key initiatives by the bank. Not moving. Go to the next. Then DLP, the digital co-lending, the pool buyout platform. Data analytic models, we have revamped 22 data analytic models. Cloud migration, existing digital lending platform, presently we are going on the microservices, which is on-premises cloud services, which is highly scalable and low cost and faster in services. Then Gen AI, already in one project we told employee assist, and second we are doing with RBI Innovation Hub, which is the customer automatic grievance redressal system. The CRM solution, the new age CRM solution bank has taken up. Data lake also bank has taken up. We are going to complete our this SD-WAN project, which is we have completed in many of the branches. Then the ISNP, the digital insurance platform bank also taken up, and we have done a couple of journeys, and it's ongoing journey we will be doing in other Q3 and Q4 also. And AgriStack and the corporate credit journey also will be launching in this coming quarter. Thank you very much. If any question on this, we'll take up in that.
Congratulations, sir.
One more. If what we are doing in HR side, I request Brajesh to kindly say.
Yeah.
Sir, hold on for the questions.
As we all are in service industry, and the only differential, I guess, is the way we serve to our customers, our customer base, and how we interact to our other distinct stakeholders. So, as through HR, we are serving our 12,44,000 crores of business and around 9 crores of customer base through a strong, dedicated, committed, and well-trained staff base of 41,470. We are very young also. Average age of our employees is only 38 years. And we are recruiting also. We are recruiting generalists in the generalist cadre, in the ward staff, in the sub staff, and in the officer cadre. But at the same time, we are recruiting in specialized cadre also, like risk, IT, and other specialized vertical, so that we want to be future ready. We are not only onboarding our staff members, but at the same time, we are training them also, and we are making them future ready, so that there is a proper succession planning. So training participation, we are participating in external trainings also, and this year we are way forward. We are training our 400 strong middle management employees, so that they will be future ready for 8-10 years. They will be serving to our customers in more efficient way through a leadership development program. Further, what we have done a performance management system, which is dynamic. Every month, every staff is getting what they have performed and how they are ranked, how they are scored. So that is also bringing in commitment from the customers. We are working on their health care. We are working on their full life cycle. And yeah, that is all from HR side. Yeah.
Ashutosh ji can tell.
Good afternoon all. Let me address the mid-corporate credit segment, the SCF, supply chain finance, the cash management, and the IGSS, the new subsidiary that bank has launched. So coming to the mid-corporate credit, from 25 crore to 150 crore, we categorized mid-corporate credit. As on 30th September, the mid-corporate credit stood at 43,793 crores, a year-on-year growth of 20%. To cater to this mid-corporate segment, the bank has at present 29 mid-corporate branches present across the country. And this financial year, we have added one. So earlier it was 28, we added one, that is in Erode. And we have one in pipeline that will soon launch in the coming days. If you see in the mid-corporate segment, it is a focused segment for the bank because the yield on these particular advances are better than corporate credit, large corporate credit advances. Now coming to the supply chain finance and cash management system. The bank has an income of 100 crores in Q2 in a cash management system, which is increased from 27 crores the corresponding earlier year. So this cash management income includes direct debit mandate, NACH mandate, IV collect, V collect, and other products that is available. Supply chain finance is a new vertical that we introduced last year, and with no time we achieved 700 plus crore of AUM during this 1 year period. We have added 10 anchors in supply chain finance. So after supply chain finance, now lastly the IGSS, this is the subsidiary bank started in the last financial year. In the month of March 2024 we started. The basic purpose of IGSS is to support the bank in couple of functions which is permitted by RBI, like sales, collection and operation. So when we say sales, it is liability sales and asset sales. So we have started this operation in 3 zones, Chennai North, Chennai South and Punamali zone to begin with. So the standard that we have set for this IGSS for these 3 activities. So all these standards has been met and we are above the target or benchmark level, you can say. So to begin with, we started with CASA mobilization, vehicle loan sales, home loan sales, personal loan sales and collection, and slowly we move towards operations in the days to come. And once we gather momentum, we'll understand these activities with these 3 zones. We'll expand to all our 90 zones or the zones that will be in the future. Thank you.
My request, Singh Saab to kindly.
Good afternoon, friends. Basically, we are a full-fledged banking. So in order to penetrate more into the deeper penetration of the agriculture sector and the rural sector particularly, we are going to broad base our BC network. Initially, we were having 15 corporate BCs. We have increased their strength to 20 and close to 11,000 operating points were there. Now we have close to 13,000 operating points of the BCs, which are going to increase by 2,000 by 2025, March 25. So it will be close to 15,000. So these branches, these corporate BCs will be serving as the extended arm of the branches, providing services in the rural areas. Secondly, people would have seen that nowadays compliance is of prime importance. So we are going to integrate that through the system so that online monitoring of the compliance systems can be done. So whatever the aberrations are coming, they will also be taken care of, and we will be improving on the compliance also in terms of the regulatory guidelines. Sir, I think that's it.
No, open for question.
Congratulations everyone for the fabulous performance. Now I would like our media friends to ask Q&A. Before asking their questions, request you all to introduce yourself and the publication and then ask the questions.
Yes, Mike, just a minute, sir.
I am from Chennai Press News. Recently there is stress on CASA deposits. How we are going to overcome that? How many new accounts you added in the last quarter years actually?
So today basically, as you must be reading the papers, but bank is ready to face these challenges. We have opened around a 27 lakhs account in the last half, is against 58 lakhs account of the last financial year. Bank is coming out with the differentiated products for the customers. Bank is now opening the accounts through the tab. 96% account are being opened through the tab. We are having created 100 resource acquisition centers where we are catering to the HNI customer, NRI customers. And this is a marketing wing where 450 relationship managers we have deployed. We are improving our products, features. We are increase the interest rate also. 400 days we are giving 7.3. We are also using digital help. So through all way we are facing this challenge. And you see, bank is successfully be able to maintain domestic CASA more than 40% in this competitive environment.
So last meeting you said you were focusing on MSME branches. This time you not talked about MSME branches. Do you have any focus is on that, or you are going to add corporate branches? You said you are going to.
So what we are doing the MSME business through three, 4 ways. One is the mid corporate branches, which my colleague Ashutosh has probably having around 28 to 29 mid corporate branches, having a segment between 25 to 150 crores. So below this 25 crores, we are having the 80 MAPCs. Through this we are doing, and what we have done in addition to that, we are coming out of the various products. The products are offered specific to the clusters. Products are offered from the corporate office based on the GST, based on the digital footprints. So we are offering the products based on digital footprints, based on the clusters, based on the security. So number of ways we are funding the MSME sectors.
Last question, sir. Any major slippage in the last quarter, something yearly?
Last quarter slippage was 1,357.
Any customer?
No, not a big account. All are small. If you go deeper into that, you find that out of this 1,357, 130 crore is in retail. Retail means some is housing, some is education, some is vehicles, small account. Agriculture is a 681 crores, so KCC accounts or the KCC Agri-Allied, these are the accounts. MSME account 308 and the corporate 238 account, 34 accounts. So not a big accounts, and total is 1,357, which is 1.06% of our book, and the recovery is 2,021.
Thank you very much.
So I am from Freelance Media News Network, sir. Sir, recently you might have heard about the crime news regarding tampering and thefting of ATMs in and around the city of all over Tamil Nadu. So in this situation, what the Indian Bank has taken any steps to strengthen the security and safety of ATMs, sir?
I request Bajaj to take this question.
So, as far as the ATMs are concerned, what we have done, we have now 24/7 e-surveillance.
Yeah.
So, wherever anything happens in any ATM, immediately call goes to the branch manager, the ATM officer, and to the police station. So, all those things for all the ATMs, we are providing e-surveillance. So, that helps us in saving this from this kind of theft and all.
Surveillance is 24/7 basis.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Good evening, sir. This is Bhasha, editor of World Nation Publications. When you are giving importance to the mid-corp and corporate sector banking, can't you start one specialized branch for each and every district in Tamil Nadu so that it will give more service to the MSMEs people?
You see, we are having branches, around 1,100 branches in Tamil Nadu.
No, this is not MSME branches.
Okay, but MSME business, MSME starts even from the SHG. Today's SHG is also tomorrow's MSME. Small active operations which they are doing, you can classify that as a MSME. So we are having, even for SHGs, micro-state branches. Around 50 micro-state branches we are having. And in Tamil Nadu also, we are having, in all zones, mid-corporate, MSME processing centers. So whatever proposal comes, or we have a marketing wing also in MSME. So that they go, bring the proposal, assess the proposal, and sanction the proposal. So that way, both side branches are also sending. These MSME people, MAPC people are also going to the field, and this is how we are increasing our business. And we are, in some of the center, we are opening even the MSME branches in Tamil Nadu as well. Ambattur and 3-4 places which Padi and all, where we have classified.
So last year, how many new branches have been opened in Tamil Nadu sector?
Last time we said that we will, in the entire financial year 24-25, we said that 100 branches will be opening. So we have given the approval for around 51 branches out 6 months. Out of 51, 15 have already been opened and 36 will be opened very shortly. So we are committed to 100 new branches this financial year.
Thank you, sir.
Is there any further questions?
I'm Shankaran from Malik Tamilakam Evening Daily, sir. Generally, there is a toss that small peoples will get loans and they repay, but big shots some big companies get much amount as loan, but they are not paying. Like that, is there any particular people in Indian Bank?
So you see our slippage for the first quarter, there was 0 slippage in corporate when you're talking about a big. Even the entire half year slippage is 238 crores. So this, considering the size of 1,70,000 crore, this is a very, very small amount. And this 238 crore is because of the cash flow mismatches. In textile sector, you know there is a volatility in the cotton prices and all. So there is no big issue here, virtually.
Thank you.
Any further questions? Thank you all respected dignitaries on the dais, and thank you media fraternity for being present today. Happy Diwali to everyone here.
Yeah, happy Diwali to all.
Happy Diwali to all.
For all the media friends, we have made a snacks arrangement at the behind this room, and for all our bank executive, we have made refreshment arrangement on the 3rd floor.